Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. It is subscription box unboxing time again, and today I have Roccabox for you. There we go, April's Roccabox. Let's dive in straight away and have a look and see what we've got. There we go, can't really see much. Let's have a look. As always, you get a card inside which tells you all the products and their RRPs, so I will refer to that as we're going along. We've got another £50 Virgin Wines voucher. There we go, I'll hold that up so you can see the code there. And first things first, what have we got here? Ooh, alright, this is a Dr. Botanicals product, here we go. And it's a full-size lemon superfood all-in-one rescue butter. The RRP of this is £15. Let's see what it says about it. Oh, it's a body butter. Oh, okay. Wow, alright. So this is a body butter, but it's only 50ml. This is a 50ml size, but it is full size, and this is £15. Right, okay, let's have a look. I adore lemon. Ooh, let's have a try. Oh, that is lemony, that's lovely. It's a bit like lemon sherbet. So it's not a sour lemon, it's a sweet and fizzy lemon, if you know what I mean. Oh, that is divine, absolutely gorgeous. That is going to be great for me in particular, as somebody who gets bit a lot. That's going to be fantastic for the summer months. That's absorbed really quickly. It's thick like a body butter should be, but it's not as solidy as some body butters can be, if you know what I mean. Because obviously it's in the tube and it's squidgy. So not quite sure how long 50ml is going to last, to be perfectly honest, but smells divine. And nice, I like that. That's product number one. Product number two, what's this? Oh, fantastic. Right, this is by the company Featherdown, and it's a pillow spray. This is a full-size 50ml product, and it's £3.50. That's really good. That's really good. It's got lavender and chamomile in. Most pillow sprays have that in because they are calming and relaxing. I absolutely adore pillow sprays. I really do. So yes, I shall be interested. Let's just give this a spritz actually. Let's give it a shake. Give it a spritz. It should smell like all the rest. Oh, it does, but that's a nice sweet lavender. Yeah, that's actually slightly different to some of the other ones I've got. So, and the fact that that's only £3.50 for a 50ml bottle, I'm very impressed with the price point. So, and it smells really nice, so I'm very pleased that's in there. I know they're not to everybody's taste, but me personally, I love them. Next product, what we got here? What's this? Oh, okay. Right, this is by the brand Code Beautiful, and it's a Lip Intense Plumper. And it's in the shade Nude Rose. This again is a full-size product. It's a hydrating, plumping, long-lasting, defining, hyaluronic acid-infused lip plumping treatment. Oh, it says, unlike other lip plumpers on the market, Code Lip won't irritate your lips, causing a temporary swell. Instead, the exclusive combination of ingredients help to redefine the natural contours of the lips to create a more hydrated and sculpted look. It's best when applied daily for 2 weeks. Okay. Alrighty, the RRP of this is £20. So, sorry, was that camera not focusing very well? There we go. Let's have a look. Now, I'm a bit of a cynic, I think it's safe to say, when it comes to things like this, to be perfectly honest. Nice, sleek inner packaging. There we go. See if we can get that. And it feels nice and soft. It's got like that velvety soft thing. Or you can smell the mint in there, which is obviously the plumping agent. That's the colour and the shape of the wand. Let's have a little look on the back of my hand. There we go. So it is very, very pale, almost like a lip glossy. It feels that sort of texture as well, but it's not sticky. It's more, you can feel moisturising. It's almost more like a lip balmy type feel to it. So, well, I might be a cynic, but I'm going to give it a go, see how I get on, and I shall let you know. But yeah. Next product in the box is, what's this? Okay, this is a little, I was just about to say this is a little miniature, but according to the leaflet, it is full size. This is by the Beauty Crop, there we go, and it is a Lighting Crew Highlighting Cream. This RRP is £9, and like I say, it says it's a full-size product. Looking at the size of it, I think it's about 10 mils. Apparently it is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants derived from pineapple and green tea. It's versatile to use. Add the shimmery highlighter on top of your cheekbones, on your brow bone, and inner corner of your eye. Okay. You can also use it under your foundation or mix it with a body lotion for an all-over glow. So, alrighty. So it's a sort of all-over thing. Okay, well, let's have a look at it. I'm going to pop it. Where am I going to pop it? Whee! Okay, right. Didn't expect that. It's got a very, very wide hole. I expected it to be a much smaller hole than that. And I'm just going to dab a little bit on my wrist there. Come on, camera. Where are you? There we go. There we go. Can you see that? So let's... There we go. So it's got a goldy hue to it. It smells nice, although all I can smell at the moment is the mint from that lip plumper. Yeah, it has got a very, very gentle glitter to it. There's a shimmer and a shine, but it is more, if you can just see my finger there, I don't know if you can see, but it has got some sort of glitteriness to it as well. I'm not sure whether or not, I'm not the biggest fan of cream highlighters. I prefer powders myself personally. But having said that, the fact that you can use it as like an inner corner highlight or a brow bone highlight, that interests me. So yeah, I'll be interested to give that a go. Definitely. Alright, and the next product in the box is a sheet mask. It's a Nip and Fab one. And this is worth, again, this is a full-size product, and it's worth £7.50. It's a vitamin C one. I love vitamin C products. It's a brightening and refreshing one, reinvigorating and purifying. That's different. I've not had a vitamin C sheet mask in a box before. I've not had a Nip and Fab sheet mask before. I've had a Nip and Fab glycolic scrub that I've yet to start trying. But yeah, lovely jubbly. Do like me a bit of vitamin C, so that's excellent. And okay, and we do have a bonus treat this month. Off Black. It's not giving me an RRP because it is a bonus treat. Let's have a look. Let's see what we've got in here. I have had some Off Black tea bags before. We got a couple in, was it November's glossy box? I think it was November's glossy box, not sure. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, one of these is one that I had, the Forest Fruits and Ginger. But this time we've got 3. We've got Forest Fruits and Ginger on the bottom here. Nicely Spicy, which is cranberry and cinnamon. That sounds nice. And then we've got Just Dessert, which is mint and chocolate. Okay, that actually sounds quite nice, to be honest. So I've got 3 tea bags there. And this is, it says check out offblack.com to discover our full range of teas. Oh, they do a subscription service now. Okay. It says start a subscription with us and receive exclusive taster packs, VIP access to new releases and other surprises, all delivered for free. Free tea for a year. Send our blends to your friends and get free tea for a year. Find out more at offblack.com. Yeah, that's really cool. I like the fact we've got 3 and we've got 3 different flavours. To be honest, I was just expecting 1. So that's a real bonus. And I think these tea bags are worth about, 80p each, something like that. So if that's right, then you've got a couple of pounds worth of a bonus treat there, haven't we? So let's add everything up. So this month we have got 5 full-size products, which is fantastic, plus the bonus treat. So we have got £15 for the Dr. Botanicals. We have got £20 for the Lip Intense, that's 35. We've got £9 for the highlighter, so that's 44. £7.50 for the sheet mask, £3.50 for the pillow spray, so that's 11, so that's £55. And then we've got obviously the bonus treat, which I'm going to say that's worth £2.50. So this month's box is worth £57.50-ish. Now then, Roccabox is £10 a month plus £3.95 P&P. So for £14, and I've got very nearly £60 worth of products. That's not bad, is it? 4 times the cost of the box. What do we think? Yeah, some interesting products. Like I say, loving the pillar spray. Love the lemon body butter. Absolutely adore that. Question the size of it though and how long it's going to last for the price. But, you know, love the vitamin C sheet mask. I'll be excited to try that. Lip plumpers. Not so sure, and liquid highlighters, not so sure, but I am going to give this a go. It says to use it for a couple of weeks every day, so that's exactly what I'm going to do, and I of course will report back and let you guys know. And this, it is only a teeny weeny little tube, but I suppose you don't need a lot. It says it's a versatile product, so I will try it in that way. Yeah. So probably these 2 I'm least excited about, but I still think overall it's a good value box. Anyway, let me know what you think, ladies and gentlemen, down in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, as always. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I don't just do unboxings, I do makeup looks. and I do tag videos and all sorts of crazy things. So if you've enjoyed what you've watched here today, I'd love it if you'd consider subscribing either by the red button down below or the circular icon with my face in it, which will appear here shortly. If you've still not quite made up your mind, I'll pop a couple of options up here for you now, so please go and check those out. And I think that's everything for today. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Keep safe, keep well, keep inside, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.